So live baitfish are immensely popular among Minnesota anglers. We have over 1 million people that get a fishing license and go out on the water every year, 70% or so of which bring live baitfish with them and potentially release them into the water. Although live baitfish release is illegal in the state, we know that not all anglers follow the rules and dispose of their live baitfish on land. Our study found that about 1 in 5 anglers release their live baitfish into the water. So while baitfish are an important cultural and economic aspect of many Minnesotans' lives, they also present a risk for the spread of fish pathogens and invasive species that could be hitching a ride with those baitfish when they're released into the water. So the purpose of our project is to understand the frequency of those behaviors that allow those diseases to spread along this pathway, and then identify the why, or understand the causes for why anglers do what they do, why they release their baitfish, and what we could do to reduce that risk and preserve important fishing and bait industries while also protecting valuable Minnesota resources. So right now we're at a really exciting stage where we've wrapped up what I consider part 1 of the project, which is just quantifying that risk. That involves understanding which pathogens are most likely to be risky, understanding what behaviors actually are occurring on the landscape, what are anglers doing that could contribute to the risk of fish pathogen spread. And now we're at a point where we just got all this new data in from our latest angler survey, and that will start to really dive into the why of why anglers are actually releasing their live baitfish. So that includes a lot of social and psychologically focused questions. So this is a contentious issue, and I would love to see members of the public, including the angling community, as well as the baitfish industry, the Department of Natural Resources, and all people come together and recognize that we all want the same thing. We want clean water, we want healthy fish, we want equitable access to vibrant fisheries and resources in Minnesota. So if we can recognize that there's a win-win-win situation available to us here, I think we can come together and find solutions that protect our natural resources while also supporting the vital bait and fishing industries that we have here in Minnesota.